Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. This is Prasad KDR. In my yesterday's video, I have told about what is our Indian Constitution preamble. As I said in my yesterday's video, preamble is nothing but it is an introduction to our constitution. What do you mean by preamble? Preamble is nothing but it is an introduction to our constitution. In that preamble, we have these four factors. As you can see over here, first one is justice, liberty, equality, fraternity. These are the four things right now I am going to explain. These four factors are there in our preamble. Let me say this again. Preamble is nothing but it is an introduction to our constitution. In this preamble, we have these four factors. They are justice, liberty, equality, fraternity. Justice is nothing but equal pay for equal work for both men and women. Equal pay for equal work for both men and women. This equality in the sense socially, economically, politically. That means socially, economically, politically, this should be work on the basis of this. This should be on the basis of socially, economically, politically, equal pay for equal work for both men and work. When it comes to our liberty, liberty is nothing but, most of you know that liberty meaning is freedom. Liberty is nothing but freedom. As you can see over here, liberty is nothing but freedom of speech and expression. Liberty is freedom of speech and expression. Speech and expression is nothing but, let me say one example for this. Directors makes movies, right? Directors, they will make movies. In movies, what they will do? In movies, they will express their views, thoughts, and their opinions. That is called as speech and expression. It comes under liberty. Liberty is nothing but freedom. They have their freedom to express their views and opinions and their beliefs in the form of movie. For one more example is also there for liberty. Assemble. We can assemble together, but without arms. Without arms in the sense without any security guard, like that. Movement is nothing but, in the other side, we have freedom, so we can move across our country. Within our country, we can move. We can go to any state in our India. That is the meaning of movement. And when it comes to equality, equality in the sense everyone is equal before the law. The heading itself says everyone is equal before the law. Equal means everyone is equal. Everyone is equal in the basis of religion, caste, place of birth, and extra. Everyone is equal. So if someone is discriminating on your basis of religion or caste or place of birth, whatever it might be, if they are discriminating you, what you can do here is you can move to the court. Here we have this provision. We can move to the court if someone is discriminating on the basis of your religion, caste, place of birth, whatever it might be. You can move to the court if someone discriminates on your religion or caste. When it comes to fraternity is nothing but it is brotherhood. As I said, fraternity is nothing but it is brotherhood. Fraternity is a group of people sharing common interest. It is all about a group of people. A group of people sharing common interest. That means brotherhood. These are the four factors. These four factors are there in our preamble. Let me say one more time. Preamble is nothing but it is an introduction to our constitution. These four factors are there in our constitution. This is all about today's video. Keep watching my videos, and I'll make more and more videos from tomorrow onwards. These are the four factors are there in our preamble. Keep watching my videos and see you all in the next video.